Welcome everyone. So we will learn about Accurex Enlite instrument. This instrument is called as Enlite Electrolyte Analyzer. This Enlite Electrolyte Analyzer is based on 5 parameters. 5 parameters as potassium, sodium, calcium, chloride, also pH. Okay, so we have unboxed all the accessories along with this instrument. So I will show you the one by one. Okay. So first one is a power cord. This is Enlite reagent pack. This is barcode scanner. Conditioner. Multi-enzyme deproteinizer. This is accessories kit. That's called fitting box. There are some accessories like calibrant, refill solution of electrodes, refill solution of IC electrode reference, electrodes, reference electrode, electrolyte quality control, and there are some small accessories. And last is user manual. So this is back side of this instrument. There are 3 connectors. First one is RS232 port. Second connector is barcode scanner. Third one is power supply. And one is power button. This is on and off. Okay. And there is some showing golden label. In this golden label, there are some information regarding Enlite instrument. Okay. So we are connecting the power cord and barcode scanner. So this is power cord. I'm connecting, and barcode scanner. After inserting the reagent pack, you have to connect the pump tube. Okay, so you have to connect like U shape. Pump tube are connected. Now open the measuring chamber. Pull out and twist the knob of measuring chamber to release it. Take electrodes. Install electrode one by one. Then we have to connect reference electrode. Then return, close the measuring chamber and front panel, and calibration will start after it. So this is front view of the Enlite instrument. You have to see first, this is printer module. You have to click on this button. Okay, so this is opened. We have to put Enlite printer roll paper like this. Just tap it. Okay, this is done. Second one, LCD display. Third one, keypad membrane. Okay, there is buttons 1 to 9. Third one is the probe. You have to aspirate the sample. And fourth one is a measuring chamber. Now I will explain functions of the keypad. Okay, so first you have to click first. You have to check serum test. Okay, we can calculate serum test, plasma test, whole blood and urine. Now click no button. Go to second option. Second option, there is showing 1 point calibration. Okay, and also you have to click on second button. There is 2 point calibration. Third one is the setup. There is time setup, printing setup and calibrant setup. You have to choose any option. Fourth one is deproteinizer. And fifth one is data retrieval. So you have to take data, okay. And other options, you can refer our manual, Enlite manual, and contact our engineers for training purpose. Now we will see how to aspirate the sample, okay. So there is showing some message, setup button. So we have to click on first button, serum test. We have to click on first. Now there is message showing lift up probe to aspirate. So lift up probe and click on yes button. Press down probe. You have to press down like this. Just wait a 10 seconds. Now showing values are calculating potassium, sodium, chloride, calcium and pH. There is showing done message. This is print.